This is how you're going to know exactly where you can afford to travel to based on your budget and how you're literally about to go travel destination shopping online. Let's get it. So first, always in private browsing, incognito mode, of course, you're going to go to your browser and type in Google Flights and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you're going to tap on the very first link, and then this is what it looks like whenever you first get into Google Flights. Now, where you want to be is the Explorer tab, which is right to the left of that. So when you hit Explorer, you can see it already has round trip. You can put in whatever airport you want. I'm just going to use the example of my home airport, which is RDU in North Carolina. And then when you put that in, you can literally see a lot of these places are in the US, and we ain't talking about US travel, okay? We talking about being a global girly. So you want to go down here to the map. And then once you go to the map, y'all, you can literally go travel destination shopping. So you can see Toronto, 532, Barbados, 296, Buenos Aires, which is in Argentina, 542. I have no idea what historic sanctuary of something is, but my point is you can move around on this map and see how much it costs to fly. And this is just being general with your travel date. So here you see Turkey, Sweden, Greece, Dubai. You can come down here to Africa. You see Mauritius, Joburg. Going to Joburg in a couple of months, and Cape Town, Marrakesh, Morocco. So now what you want to do is you want to actually put in like a tentative date. I'm just going to put in January. I'm going to leave it on 1 week just so I can keep it kind of broad. I always recommend being open with your travel dates. And then since we stopped on Europe, you can see the list does have some global destinations now: Lisbon, Rome, Venice, Barcelona, Prague, Madrid, Istanbul, Santorini, Cape Town. But I personally still like to look at the map, but you can also use this list feature right here. But if we go back to the map, so you can see now it actually has like January in here, so the prices are a little different. And you can zoom in, y'all. You can literally zoom in and see anytime you see those little airplanes, then you know that that is an option. So you can see some round trip flights to Rome for $584, y'all. That is dope. I just saw one for like $461 up there. Like Cape Town, $1,300. Don't sleep. That's actually not a bad price for round trip to Cape Town, especially from my little Podunk airport in Raleigh, North Carolina. If you're somewhere like JFK, LAX, or Jersey, you actually have way better options. So yeah, you can continue to move the map around. And this is how you can know exactly where you can afford to travel. I love using this tool. I always recommend it for people. There's actually a lot of things you can do with Google Maps. But what I want you to know is that it is really your turn for your camera roll to start looking like this. I want y'all to stop looking at all the stuff that I do, all the travels that I have, and start doing your own. So if you head over to my profile and you hit that top button, you're going to see my Abroad on a Budget masterclass. Y'all, there are so many gems. If you like what I showed you just now, that scratches the surface. I also talk about low-cost accommodations, how to always have money for travel, how to earn free flights even without a credit card, and there's bonuses. Y'all, tap into the masterclass and let me know what questions y'all have.